Yes, just 1000 subscribers seems to be very impossible to you. Now I'm going to show you the simplest trick in which you will end up getting several thousand subscribers within just 24 hours. What you are required to have is just you should upload at least one video in your channel and you should log into your YouTube Studio desktop. Remember that I'm here to ensure that you get monetized and earn money from YouTube. So subscribe now, like this video and watch it to the end. So immediately you log into your YouTube Studio desktop, you're going to find an interface like this. So this is something that you have heard about it from other creators, but I want to show you the right way in which you should do it, the right way in which you should optimize it so that it ends up giving you several subscribers that you are looking for or that you are in need of. So immediately you log into your YouTube Studio desktop, you go to this option written videos. Immediately you are there on your videos, you go straight to the right hand side where you're going to see this option promotion. Tap the word promotion. So YouTube provides you an example of how your promotion will look like. As you can see, one of my video immediately it is promoted, it will look like this. So people or users of YouTube will just be required to tap this option subscribe, and I will end up getting several subscribers in my channel. Promote your channel and business on YouTube. In addition to your regular channel growth, promotion can get your videos in front of new audience. Yes, YouTube is going to promote your videos and it's going to get into new audience. So if you're ready to promote, you go ahead and select get started. Immediately you select get started, YouTube is going to provide you with, YouTube is going to ask you this: which account do you want to use? So in your case, you go ahead and select create new account. After selecting create new account, you come to this option here at the bottom and select this option written next. Immediately you select option next, YouTube is going to ask you this question: what is your main goal? Audience growth, get more subscription and views of additional videos on your channel. Option 2, video views, get more views on the video you are promoting, or website visit. So you go ahead and select the first option, that is audience growth, for you to get subscribers. Then you come to this option at the bottom here, and select next. Immediately you select next, YouTube is going to ask you this: what will your promotion look like? So you go ahead and select this option written ad. Now go and select the best video that you feel your audience will enjoy, or other audience that the new audience that you're going to get will enjoy. In my case, maybe let's assume I select this. This is the video that I feel my viewers will enjoy. So immediately I select this video. This is what is going to be shown by YouTube to different audience, to different viewers who will be interested in this video. So they will be just tapping the word subscribe, and in that case, I will end up getting the subscribers that you are in need of just within 24 hours. So after doing that, I come and select this option at the bottom written next. After selecting next, YouTube is going to provide me with this interface. Who will see your promotion? Now YouTube is going to provide me with the countries to which my viewers come from. As you can see from my side, I normally get views from Kenya, United Arab Emirates, Nigeria, Saudi Arabia, and Tanzania. So if I want to go ahead and add more areas to which I want this promotion to reach, I'll come and select the box and select the countries to which I want my audience to come from. So I can scroll up and add, or I search USA, Canada, United States, United Kingdoms, any place that I want, Nigeria, and I'll go ahead and get. So immediately you are done adding your countries, several apart from these that are provided by YouTube. You come here and answer this question that is mandatory for you to answer. European Union political ads. Does your promotional have European Union political ads? European Union requires Google to ask this question. So if it has, you go and select yes, but if it does not have, you go and select no. Then you come and select this arrow at the bottom here written advanced targeting. As you can see there, show to the following genders: female, male, but uncheck this unknown. Remove this unknown. Come to this option number 2, show to the following ages. Remove this unknown. Immediately you do that, you are going to see this interface written show to viewers who speak these languages. To show your promotion to all languages, don't include any language. If you want your video to be shown to all languages, you should not include any language. But as my video is in English, I should go ahead and select English. I should go ahead and search English. Immediately I'm done, I'll come to this bottom and select this option written next. Immediately I select next. Immediately I select next, YouTube is going to load. So after it finishes loading, this is what I will get. My video, it suggests that it's going to be shown to 9.5K and to 37,000 estimated views. This video, immediately I promote it, it's likely to get about 9.8 thousand to 37,000 estimated views. Those who are going to see my video, they are about that. So I'll end up getting several subscribers from this video, but I will get 330K to 2.2 million estimated impression. Now what are these impression? Impression is whereby my thumbnail like this is shown to the viewers, can either click it to view or not. So the one who will be clicking it is about 9.8 to 37K, but those who will be shown to it and whether they can click or not is about 330K to 2.2 million views. So in this case, if I do this, I'll end up getting several subscribers. Promotional views. A promotional view is counted every time someone clicks to watch your promotion. This is not a total of all the views your video gets on YouTube. Promotion impression. A promotion impression is counted every time someone is shown your promotion. So this is what will happen. So you will come to this option here at the top and select your budget. You come and select your budget. You can start with $10, $12, $100, $120, $180, any. Then you select the date to which your ad wants to end, your promotion, the day you want to end. The more you select fewer days, it's going to get more individuals, but the more you select several days, it's going to get to lesser individuals. So immediately you are done, you're going to select option next. You come at the bottom and select next. After selecting next, you come to this option, the last option, whereby you're going to select country to which you belong by tapping the arrow and selecting the country to which you belong. So immediately you select your country, YouTube will load and it will provide me with an interface to go ahead and create new payment profile. So in this case, I will come and select it and tap the new payment profile, whereby I will go ahead and fill the card number and everything that will be required for my channel. Immediately I am done, I'll come to this option at the bottom here, written promote, and the ad will run for the selected days that I chose. In that case, I end up getting several subscribers that no one will tell you to use this shortcut.